Welcome to the ultimate guide for 2026, where time is the most valuable currency for every entrepreneur and business owner. Today, we are focusing on the fastest way to get capital into your hands with instant approval business credit cards that you can apply for and start using immediately. In the fast-paced economy of 2026, waiting 7 to 10 business days for a piece of plastic to arrive in the mail is simply not an option for a modern company. Whether you need to pay for a last-minute digital ad campaign or secure a vital piece of software or book travel for a client meeting, you need access to your credit line the second you are approved. In this 10-minute deep dive, we are going to look at the top 10 cards that offer instant virtual numbers and digital wallet integration. We will also discuss the major changes in the industry this year, including the massive acquisition of Bricks by Capital One and how that affects your options. Before we jump into the list, it is important to understand what instant access actually looks like in 2026. It means that upon approval, the bank provides you with a 16-digit card number code and an expiration date right on your screen or inside their mobile app. This allows you to add the card to Apple Pay or Google Pay or use it for any online transaction while your physical card is still being printed. Let us dive into our first and most reliable choice for instant use. At number 1, we have the American Express Business Suite of cards, including the Business Gold and the Business Platinum. American Express has been the gold standard for instant card numbers for years, and in 2026 they have perfected the process. When you apply online and receive an instant approval, Amex offers you the ability to get your card number right away through their secure portal. They also provide a seamless integration that allows you to add the card to your digital wallet with just a few taps in their app. This is particularly useful because Amex is accepted almost everywhere globally now, and their virtual card system offers an extra layer of security by generating dynamic security codes for each transaction. If you are a current Amex customer, your chances of getting an instant decision are even higher because they often rely on your existing internal history rather than just a hard credit pull. The rewards on these cards remain some of the best in the industry, offering massive points on travel and advertising, which makes them perfect for businesses that need to scale quickly. Moving to number 2, we have the Capital One business lineup, including the Spot Miles and the newly integrated Bricks corporate features. As many of you know, 2026 saw Capital One acquire Bricks in a multi-billion-dollar deal, which has combined the massive reach of a traditional bank with the cutting-edge technology of a fintech leader. This means that when you apply for a Capital One business card, you now get access to the same instant issuance technology that made Bricks famous. You can log into the Capital One mobile app the moment you are approved and see your virtual card details immediately. Capital One has also introduced a feature called Eno, which is their virtual assistant that can generate store-specific card numbers for added security. This is a huge win for business owners who want the stability of a big bank, but the speed of a startup. Their rewards are simple and powerful, offering unlimited 2% cash back or miles on every single purchase, which takes the guesswork out of your business spending. At number 3, we have Ramp, which remains a powerhouse in the expense management and corporate card space. In 2026, Ramp is famous for its speed, and they offer a 100% digital experience from start to finish. The application process takes only a few minutes, and if you are approved, you can issue virtual cards to yourself and your entire team in seconds. Ramp does not require a personal guarantee for most businesses, as they focus on your cash on hand and your monthly revenue. This makes it an ideal choice for well-funded startups or established businesses that want to avoid a hard pull on the owner's personal credit. The Ramp platform also uses artificial Intelligence to scan your spending and suggest ways to save money, such as pointing out duplicate subscriptions or better pricing tiers for your software, which effectively puts money back into your pocket while you spend. Number 4 on our list is Capital Untapped, which has become a favorite for small businesses in 2026 due to its high approval rates and lightning-fast processing. They claim that you can complete their application in under 2 minutes and receive the decision almost instantly. Once approved, you get immediate access to a virtual card and a competitive credit limit that can go up to $250,000. They offer a straightforward 1.5% cash back on all purchases with no annual fee, which makes it one of the most cost-effective options for a growing company. Capital Untapped also offers a unique feature where you can choose between cash back or points that can be converted into travel rewards, giving you flexibility in how you use your benefits. Coming in at number 5 is the Chase Ink Business Suite, specifically the Ink Business Unlimited and the Ink Business Cash. While Chase was historically slower with instant issuance in 2026, they have fully embraced the digital wallet revolution. When you are approved for a Chase business card, you can now use the Chase mobile app to add your new card directly to Apple Pay or Google Pay immediately. This allows you to make in-person purchases at any terminal that accepts contactless payments even before the physical card arrives. Chase remains a top choice because of their massive sign-up bonuses, which can be worth $750 or more in cash back or travel points. They also offer 0% introductory periods, which can be a lifesaver for businesses that need to make a large purchase and pay it off over time without incurring interest. At number 6, we have the Bill corporate card, formerly known as Divvy, which continues to lead the way in digital first business credit. Bill is unique because it is both a credit card and a sophisticated budgeting software. When you are approved, you can create specific virtual cards for every department or even every vendor you work with. This allows you to set strict limits on how much can be spent on things like digital ads or office supplies, which prevents overspending and fraud. The approval process is very fast, and because it is a charge card, it helps you build your business credit profile without the risk of long-term debt. In 2026, they have added even more integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, which makes your end-of-month bookkeeping a breeze. Number 7 is Wise Business, which is an essential tool for any company that operates internationally in 2026. While Wise is primarily known for their low-cost currency exchange, they offer a powerful business debit and credit line system with instant virtual cards. You can generate up to 3 virtual cards at a time and start spending in over 40 different currencies immediately after approval. This is perfect for paying international vendors or covering travel expenses without getting hit with high foreign transaction fees. Wise provides real-time exchange rates and total transparency on their fees, which make